We live in a glorious country, rich, diverse, and steeped in culture, heritage, and history. And it was with these thoughts in mind that we set out from the Statue of Unity in Gujarat on another edition of the Hyundai Great India Drive. Our vehicle for the journey was the much appreciated Hyundai Venue, which was more than up to the task at hand. We were headed to a relatively unknown place, one that was a stark contrast to the modern grandeur that the Statue of Unity exhibited. Just outside the city of Bhopal is the Bhimbekta Rock Shelter, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It dates back to 100,000 years and set amidst a small forest. Filled with wall paintings and small caves, it is the very first sign of civilized humans on the Indian subcontinent. This was where early man first settled, and it's surreal to realize it exists right here in the heart of India. Speaking of heart, did you know that the geographical center of this great nation lies in Madhya Pradesh, in the small village of Karaundi? We headed off along smoother highways with the Venue comfortably munching the miles before turning off onto smaller roads to reach our destination. The Indian government has constructed a small memorial to mark the exact spot with 4 royal lion statues surrounding it. It is peaceful, quiet and symbolic. And like the soul of this great country, the Hyundai Venue continued to impress. Ride quality over bad roads was superb. And the interiors have every box well and truly checked. The modern design touches on the exterior are in perfect sync, and it looks stunning out on the move. Coupled with the excellent 1-liter turbo petrol, there is little else you could ask for from a car. But it was time to move on from Madhya Pradesh to Maharashtra. Driving through the buffer zone of the Pench National Forest to get to the busy city of Nagpur. You see, Karaundi wasn't always the center of India. When the British were still here, there existed a spot in Nagpur that was considered the center, the zero milestone. A simple, tall pillar at a busy junction. A remnant from a past that India has moved on from but will never forget. But this isn't the end. There are a few more hidden gems this country has to offer. And if you stick around, we'll show you.